In the program, we learned a lot of hands-on experience. When I'm talking to my colleagues that were university graduates, most of their education is um, heavily theoretical. Here in college, it's very, very hands-on, which makes college graduates stand out.
Within this program, there's unique work integrated learning opportunities, including an optional co-op where you can gain real-world experience through these optional placements. And you'll apply what you learn in the classroom to a real-world environment.
Before this program, I graduated in veterinary medicine, and I found in this course a great opportunity to learn more of the experiences in the lab about innovation and research.
A lot of students land biotech-related jobs within 6 months after graduation, thanks to hands-on training and real-world experience they have. Our alumni are making real impact, developing vaccines, improving food production, tackling pollution, and advancing medical research.